Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Grom 125. This is the one with ABS brakes, really cool blue color. Wait till you hear that awesome sounding Zoom exhaust system. Adjustable levers, only 1,074 miles. Showroom condition. Come on by. Make your Grom dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.